What do I want a blanket for during my practice? Well, I'll tell you the most common reason that I will advise people to use a blanket is to sit up on. So you have it at about this width or this squarish orientation, and then you fold it in thirds, and then you sit at the edge of this mat. And so mostly what this is great for is if we are new to our practice or if we have tight hips, what happens is we sit on the floor and we fight. We don't have the strength in our hip flexors. It's a lot of effort just to sit upright. So by sitting at the edge of this, we create a wider angle at the hip, and you'll feel it immediately. You sit up straighter with less effort, and that is a big goal. All right, same thing if we are going to cross the legs or anything. So if you are going to sit for any period of time, or you're trying to just maintain some stillness in a seated pose, use the blanket.